Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, we've seen a nice bounce, a nice reaction to support. The price actually formed a clean 5-wave move down in wave C. So as you can see here, the pullback is technically complete and we see a bounce that is probably a little bit too large to be part of this initial decline. And on top of that, quick reminder, A wave, B wave, C wave was the idea, and the C wave formed actually a 5-wave move to the downside. Yesterday we were still watching for one more low that happened. Sometimes in these occasions when we talk about the micro levels, on some charts it happens, on some charts it doesn't. Let's just really focus on the micro level. Some of these might be forming rather just WXY structures to the downside instead of ABC, but Solana formed even that one more low and completed the wave structure nicely. That is that one more low we were watching for yesterday. I sent an update through yesterday on Discord where we saw the price getting rejected from resistance for one more low. And the resistance, because it wasn't broken, the idea was still, okay, one more low seems likely. But again, it's just, a lot of people always wait for the last low. I mean, you have to understand, if you do that, sometimes it just turns around early, and it's really just the last bit of that decline. But obviously in this case it happened, sometimes it just doesn't happen. Some who are a bit more aggressive start to buy already at the end of a third wave. That's how you can manage that uncertainty. But in this case, it actually formed that one more low, and now we see a bounce. Therefore, without much surprise, we can even identify, one second. Need to deselect. So yeah, we even saw an oversold reading on the RSI and a bullish divergence as well on the 1 hour time frame. So we see that bounce now. Is it now the rally? Are we in the breakout? I mean, overall, what we would need to see next is some evidence that it's actually impulsive. What we can say is this was an area where the bulls should turn up and the larger time frame is not affected at all. You know, even if we test that area again, it wouldn't be a change in structure or scenarios, but obviously there is a chance that we have now completed wave 4. I still see this as quite a weak wave 4, so therefore I'm tracking in parallel here the orange pathway, which is simply a wider A, B, C structure like this. Yeah, I'm not saying this is going to play out, but to be honest, if it plays out, the pullback into the orange support region could be another opportunity for those who wanted to buy in the box, didn't, right? Or for those who are just, doing some swing trading short term. So all I want to say is this is still possible, but it's too early to say. There is just simply not enough structure yet from the low. The price so far is doing what we wanted. There's been a reaction to support again after a 3-wave move down, and then within wave C, even that clean 5-wave move down. But now we need to look at the structure to the upside that we wanted to see that upside, right? But the only question is now, is this simply a B-wave bounce? And I think that the probabilities are quite high that it's just a B-wave. But even in this B-wave, the price should move a little higher. We're now waiting for clarity if this here is going to turn into a 5-wave move up in wave A. So far it's 3 waves in A. Then the B wave could be the next setup to trade possibly the C wave, or to even get positioned for a more directly bullish breakout. Okay, so that's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. If you're interested in the membership, you might want to check out our membership video on our channel page. As a member, you get additional access to additional videos. Yesterday, we covered a long-term update for AVAX, long-term and short-term. Day before that, 14 coins. Then we've got access to our member live streams. You also get access to our Discord server if you're a gold member. So you might want to choose to do that. Then you get access to the Tradingview live links, short-term updates, and much more. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.